Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel. Have you ever wondered how to make the barcodes in Excel? So if you ever wonder and you do not know how to make it, so this video is definitely for you. So sit back and watch till the end. So this is how we make the barcodes in Excel. So it's like even if you change the numbers, it will change itself. You got it? Even if you want to make a big number barcode or a small number, doesn't make difference. You can even change the item. So how are we gonna do that? From the beginning, I'm gonna be deleting all those things. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's change the font. Okay, let me make it a little bigger for you. So as you can see, I simply made one small table here which has serial number, items, code, and the barcode. This is gonna be creating here in front of you. So first you need to type the codes. You can just type any numbers, whatever exactly the numbers you got. It could be any number you have. All right, so if I take those numbers and I want to create the barcode, so I simply have to, if I want to transfer the same data to the another, you can simply equals and select, and now you can drag this down here. Okay, so all the numbers are pasted there, and those numbers now you can change to text mode. Okay, let's make it a little smaller. Okay, so the same number as you see here. Okay, let me make it bold. The same number are there which are in the code. Now we need to change it to barcode. So how do we do that? We need to go to home tab, change the font. We have a font for barcode. So when you click on that, it's automatically turns as barcode, as you see. So it has changed to barcode. Even if I change the numbers here, so it will change. So now let's make it a little bigger. Yep. So that's how it works. But the question is, do you have this barcode font in your computer? This one, like even if I'm doing in this here, it will change. This one also can change. So if you do not have that, so how you can download it? So okay, I'm gonna take you through that also. So simply you need to go to Google, type CIA code 39 font. When you type this, you have many options in here, so you can just download from font for free. Click here, so you will see the page like this. You can click on download here. I'm sure if you can see, it's here. Click on download. So it's processing now the download request. It will take a couple of minutes. Once it is done, as you can see, the file has been downloaded here. You can open the file. So file opens in this format, like RR file. You need to click on extract to, and you can put it on anywhere, wherever you wish to. So I'm gonna be putting onto desktop. Now you can even close this, even this, and let's minimize this. So we go to desktop, so it's in here. You could right click on the file and you install. When you click on install, it's saying, do you want to replace? Because I already have it one. So okay, let's say replace. So it's now, okay, it's been working. So it's allowed. Okay, so the installation is done. So we can see in the Excel, when you go in here, you see the font. Okay, there is no data in there. Okay, this is the font. Same. This is almost the same, right? Yeah. It's a little difference of the barcode. So basically this is how we create the barcode. So you can simply download this CIA code 39 font, CIA code 39 font. You can download it from the internet and you can create barcode in Excel. You can change the item, any item, whatever the items you got. Mango. So this could be the barcode of mango. Okay, this is it about this video, guys. If you like the video, please do comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Excel Homemade Tutorial. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.